Welcome to the Coda Evolution Fury Titanium Compensator installation. In this video, we will be showing you how to quickly and easily install a Coda Evolution Compensator on your rifle. Let's get started. Tools recommended for this installation are a 3/4 inch wrench, or an AR-15 armorer's wrench, or an adjustable wrench. Also recommended is a bench vise with an AR-15 upper receiver vise block, or reaction rod. Ensure that your firearm is unloaded. Firearm safety is your responsibility. First, remove the Coda Evolution Compensator, crush washer, and installation instructions from the packaging. Read over the instructions before continuing. Ensure that your barrel threads are clean. Use a bronze brush to clean the threads if necessary. We recommend lightly threading the Coda Compensator on and off the barrel to check for proper compatibility before proceeding. Slip the crush washer over the barrel threads with the smaller cone side towards the receiver. Thread the compensator onto the barrel hand tight. Take note how much more rotation will be needed in order for the compensator's top ports to be oriented at 12 o'clock. Now it's time to tighten the compensator and properly orient the top ports to 12 o'clock. The better the wrench fits the flats of the compensator, the less chance of marring its finish. As you tighten the compensator onto the barrel, the crush washer will collapse under the tension. Keep tightening until the compensator's top ports are oriented at 12 o'clock. As you get close to 12 o'clock, you may want to stop often to check the alignment of the top ports. It's better to go slow and tighten a little at a time. There, you've successfully installed your Coda Evolution Compensator and it's ready for use. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please visit codaevolution.com to find this and other great products for your shooting needs.